The tax regime for expats in Spain, introduced in 2010, is known as Lex Beckham because David Beckham, a footballer who played for Real Madrid during his stay in Spain, was one of the first to benefit from this regime. Although it has subsequently been used by many other high-profile athletes, artists, and professionals. The tax definition is the special regime for workers posted to Spanish territory, Article 93 of the Income Tax Law. A special tax regime that allows foreigners who come to Spain for professional reasons to pay tax as non-residents for 6 years. What is the special tax regime Lex Beckham? This is a tax regime that allows individuals who transfer their tax residence to Spain due to a change of job to opt for non-resident income taxation for the year of the change of residence and the 5 subsequent tax periods, while retaining their status as personal income taxpayers. This special taxation offers a major advantage with regard to earned income. Tax rate of 24% on the first €600,000 per year, earned income. A tax rate of 47% on income over €600,000. This is a regulation that allows the payment of a flat tax rate instead of following a progressive rate as in the case of income tax, RPF. Dividends and other income from participation in a company, interest and other income from the transfer of capital to third parties, and capital gains from the transfer of assets are tax-free if they are earned outside Spain. Legal cases of application. The first requirement is that the person has an employment contract. This requirement is considered to be met in the following situations: when establishing an employment relationship with an employer in Spain, when the posting is made on the instructions of the employer and a letter of posting exists, or in cases where the work activity is carried out remotely without instructions from the employer, using only computer, telematic, and telecommunication systems. This applies in particular to digital nomads. This measure aims to attract talent to Spain. The second reason presupposes that the relocation to Spain is due to the assumption of the position of director in a company. However, if such a company is considered to be an asset-managing company, the director cannot hold a shareholding that qualifies him or her as linked to the company. In other words, the limit on the percentage of shareholding only applies if the company is an asset management company. The third criterion requires that the move to Spain is linked to the exercise of an economic activity in Spain that qualifies as an entrepreneurial activity. In accordance with the procedure described in Article 70 of Law 14 of 2013. According to Spanish law, an entrepreneurial activity is considered innovative and of special economic interest for Spain, which is confirmed by a favorable opinion from the competent body of the General State Administration. Various aspects are taken into account in the assessment, such as the creation of jobs in Spanish territory. The fourth criterion for the application of this special regime is the posting to Spain as a result of the exercise of an economic activity by a highly qualified professional. This professional must provide services to emerging companies or participate in training, research, development, and innovation activities in accordance with Article 3 of Law 28 of 2022, on condition that he receives remuneration that exceeds 40% of the total income from business, professional, and employment activities in total. Social Security. Taking up employment in Spain requires that you have Social Security cover in Spain, although in the EU and in countries with which a Social Security agreement exists, like the US, the original insurance cover can be maintained. Resitax Spain. Your trusted partner in Spain and Mallorca. Some of our tax services include specialized tax advice on international mobility, Lex Beckham. Specialized tax advice for resident and non-resident foreign nationals. Specialized tax advice for real estate. Advice on setting up your company in Spain, accounting, and tax. We offer you the necessary legal security through technical, professional, and direct advice. Contact us to schedule an appointment in person or online.